Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to anyone that's new here. My name's Olivia, and welcome back to any of my returning subscribers. And if you have just stumbled on my channel, then welcome. If you haven't already subscribed, you know the drill. So today's video is all about the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the mono mist colorway. So this is kind of like an earthy kind of brown, but you'll see when I do the unboxing and the close-up shots. They did also come out in a mono ice, which was like a really nice like baby blue, and a mono clay as well, I think, which was a bit more orangey. But yeah, those two colorways weren't actually available in England, so I ended up getting the mono mist. I can't lie, the 350s of the Yeezy collection are one of my favorite silhouettes. Yeah, they keep bringing the 350s out with different colorways, different kind of things, patterns, materials going on. I feel like they're dragging it out a little bit. I feel like some of the colorways I'm not 100% on. I feel like, you know, there's so much potential in these shoes, and I feel like some of the colorways just aren't kind of meeting that. But anyway, let's get started on the Yeezy Boost 350s V2s in mono mist. So as usual, they come in your normal Yeezy box. Look how messed up this one is. Oh, it really upsets, like, that just makes me want to return them. Anyway, that's aggressive. They come in this box. This is the normal Yeezy box. There's nothing crazy about it. Yeah, now let's undo the shoes. So yeah, here we have the Yeezy Boost 350 V2. So this is it. I can't lie, I was quite surprised by the colour. I didn't really know what colour it would be like when I got it. It is a really unusual colour. It is like earthy tones, but it's kind of got like, can you see this purple in the stripe, especially in that stripe? There's a glimmer of purple. It's kind of like browny purple is the colourway that I would describe it. It is a bit of a strange colourway. I don't know, I'm still very undecided on the colourway because I'm trying to think of outfits as well that I would wear this with. But anyway, these actually come in at $180, which is normal for Yeezy Boosts. They came in your normal kind of raffle. If you did want to buy them, or you kind of were looking at resale on StockX, you can kind of pick them up basically like for retail, but you have to pay their like transaction prices and packaging. So you'd probably pay around like 210, maybe like around 200 for these. So there isn't a huge demand for these shoes. So if you did want to pick them up, you could basically pick them up for retail. If I did want to resell them, I would probably just return them back to Adidas, because I don't think you could make money on these. You would in fact lose money. So I think the most notable thing that is different about these Yeezys is that obviously the material of the upper, it's like this plastic nylon mesh, I would guess. Also, can you hear that scratchy kind of noise? So it's not your normal kind of knitted upper. Not sure how I feel about that. I feel like maybe it won't be as flexible. So you do have this skeleton design going through, which is kind of cool, I guess. This is kind of like a similar theme that goes through some of the Yeezys, and that's actually inside the shoe, and it is also see-through. Also have your normal outsole on a Yeezy Boost 350. This is a pretty standard sole to all the Yeezy Boosts. You know, you've got your gum sole, which is kind of like the main feature of the Yeezy 350s. They've also brought back the heel tab. Again, this is made of this like plastic nylon mesh. It's actually quite a hard heel tab, so it will stay in shape like that. I do really like heel tabs, and I do really like it on the shoe. The laces you've got are kind of, you know, your normal design Yeezy laces and your kind of rope laces. Again, these are made out of that kind of plastic nylon mesh material. One of my favorite features about this shoe, which is kind of a small feature, is the insole. You've got this like bright orange insole. I really wish they put like hints of that color around the shoe, because look, I just feel like that looks so nice. But it looks a bit boring. Like, these colors look a bit boring without that orange. If they just put that somewhere, I don't know where, maybe on the skeleton design, I feel like the shoe would look a bit more like popping. I do feel like this is a dull kind of color. £180 as well. I feel like you don't want kind of a boring pair of shoes. You want to be spending it on something, you know, that looks nice. We also have a cushioned heel. So I can't lie, for Yeezys, you know, the actual shoe itself, regardless of the materials and the color, Yeezys are a really comfy shoe, and that is why the 350s are one of my favorites. Sizing wise, as usual for Yeezys, all Yeezys come up small for me. They are not true to size whatsoever, so I always go at 0.5 size bigger. So usually I'm a 7 and I got got these in 7.5 and these fit perfectly, which is what I expected because it is the same for all my Yeezys. So if you were interested in getting these, remember to go a 0.5 size up. Now I'm actually gonna go try these on for you guys and do a video close up and what they look like actually on the feet. So after trying them on, as expected, they do fit. You know, you've got the boost sole, they fit like a dream. I know they're not knitted, so I can feel like a tiny bit difference in terms of like when you kind of flex your foot a bit like that. I can kind of, you know, the knitted is knitted, so it literally just bends, but this is a bit more rigid. But other than that, they are really comfy. For me, I'm just not sure about this colour. The material as well, I definitely prefer the knit, but you know, some people may actually prefer this. They just don't give me that wow factor. I just feel like they're quite a plain shoe, and for £180. But let me know what you guys think. Should I return these or should I keep them? I do feel like I'm probably going to return them. Also the box that came up mashed, you know, I'm not a fan of that. And the colours, yeah, the colour is just, I just can't settle with the colour. However, if you are here watching this, then I would strongly recommend any other kind of colourway in the 350s. I would probably get the ice colour if it came out. I'd buy it for retail, because the baby blue, I feel like if you're gonna get this shoe, then at least get a colour that's like popping. If not, all the 350s that are fly knit, I absolutely love and would recommend to anyone because they are just, you know, they are just so comfy, as I said, and you can literally wear them like to the gym, anywhere, anything you could wear them to. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all next time.